Hello students, now let us see the concept electric potential due to system of charges. Imagine Q1 charge is here. Consider a point P at a distance R from the charge. Now electric potential at the point P due to this charge V equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 divided by R. This is electric potential at the point P. It is nothing but amount of work done in bringing unit positive charge from infinity to the point P. In this case, work done formula work is equal to V into Q. Work is equal to V into Q. In case of equipotential surface, in equipotential surface there is no potential difference. Then if potential difference is 0, then work done will become 0. That's why we say that in equipotential surface we can move charges without any external work. Now, in case if we move unit positive charge from infinity to the point P, then work done equal to V charge Q2. Imagine we are moving a charge Q2 where Q2 is equal to 1 unit positive charge. Then work W is equal to V potential due to the first charge, that is 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 by R. The second charge is 1, it's unit charge 1. Then this work done is nothing but electric potential at the point P. Instead of bringing unit positive charge, if we bring a charge Q2, from infinity to the point, then work done W is equal to V into Q2. This electric potential due to first charge. Therefore, that is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 divided by R Q2. Q2 is the second charge which is brought from infinity to the point P. These are, there are two charges Q1 and Q2, so let us take that this is the distance between the two charges R12, so we take it as R12. This work done is stored as electrostatic potential energy of the system. When there was only one charge, electric potential V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 by R1. When there are two charges, the electrostatic potential energy of the system is U is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R1, the distance between these two charges. Now you just consider a point somewhere here. Consider a charge here Q3. Charge Q3, we bring charge Q3 from infinity to the point B. Now you just forget Q2. Q1 is here. We bring charge Q3 from infinity to the point here, which is at a distance R13. For this work done, W is equal to potential due to first charge, and the charge moved is Q3. That is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 divided by R13 Q3. This is the electrostatic potential energy of the two charges system. Now forget this charge Q1. Q2 is here. The amount of work done in bringing charge Q3 from infinity to the point here, which is at a distance R23. For this, work done equal to potential due to second charge. Here, and the charge moved is Q3. That is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q2 Q3 divided by R23, where R2 is the distance between these two charges. When there was only one charge, to bring Q2 from infinity to this point, this is the work done. Now we are bringing Q3 from infinity to the point P when both the charges Q1 and Q2 exist there. First we calculate amount of work done in bringing Q3 from infinity to the point P with respect to Q1. So we got this. Next we calculate the amount of work done in bringing charge Q3 from infinity to the point, this point where Q2 is there. For this is the work done. Then now total work done in bringing the charge Q3 from infinity to the point here when Q1 and Q2 exist. The total work done W is equal to W1 plus W2, that is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q3 by R13 plus 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q2 Q3 divided by R23. This is work done in bringing charge Q3 from infinity to the point with respect to Q1. This is the work done in bringing the charge Q3 from infinity to the point with respect to Q2. So this is the total work done in bringing charge Q3 from infinity to the point P in the presence of Q1 and Q2. Okay. This total work done is nothing but actually W is equal to V into Q, that is equal to V1 plus V2. V1 plus V2. What is the charge we are bringing? We are bringing the charge Q3. We are bringing the charge Q3, so we get this equation. So this is work done in bringing charge Q2 from infinity to this point. This is work done in bringing charge Q3 from infinity to the point after Q2 is brought. So for the entire system, the total energy, entire system, total energy, that is total work done, total energy is equal to sum of this and this. So we will get 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. If you take 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught common, you are going to get Q1 Q2 R12 plus Q1 Q3 Q1 Q3 R13 plus Q2 Q3 Q2 Q3 divided by R23. This is the total electrostatic energy of the system in bringing Q1, Q2 and Q3 together. This is the total work done to bring all the three charges together. This is electrostatic potential energy of system of charges. I hope you understand this. Thank you.